Hey guys, it's Tim. We're here in Oceanside, and behind me, we have a property under construction. I wanted to ask you, does anything look familiar about this property? If so, we were here about a year ago. We were showing you the lot, and we were showing you the plans. But obviously things have changed, and this property is coming to market soon. So I wanted to give you a progress tour of this property, so let's go check it out. So what you're looking at is a 3-story home. We're gonna have an entrance right there, a 2-car garage right behind me. Up top, you're gonna have a rooftop deck. So I just came through the garage and up the stairs. What we have here is the great room with 20-foot ceilings, custom fireplace, large bifold doors. And to my right, we're gonna have an amazing kitchen with dual islands, high-end appliances, high-end countertops and finishes. Over here, what we're gonna have is an office with a glass wall and a 12-foot glass steel door. All right, and if you follow me this way, to my right, we're gonna have the junior suite. As you can see, the tub's already here, not installed. You're gonna have some west-facing views. We have some fantastic views. We're actually able to see over the great room, check in on the family, see how everybody's doing. It's pretty phenomenal if you look at the size of these windows. Straight in front of me, we're gonna have the master suite. It's gonna have a freestanding tub, a gigantic walk-in closet. It seems like you can get ocean views from almost any window at this place if you're facing west. This is just a really good example of a custom home and what's coming to the market. Thank you for joining me today, and we'll see you next time.